Okay, let's go back to the fire rescue center.
Can I help again?
Sorry. Yeah, but the fire.
I'll help with the dumpster. Okay, the dumpster's over here. Hi, Corey.
I'm not Corey.
I'm not talking to your car. I'm talking about Corey.
I'm not Corey.
Who are you?
I'm the garbage train.
Oh, I'm taking care of the dumpster. Oh, it stinks here. I think I'm gonna go over to the birthday train. Oh, hi, birthday train.
Hi, I'm actually Thomas, but over somewhere else is my brother. Over there at the terminal.
Percy! Oh no! Well, this is blocking it.
I could get it. We gotta put.
I wish I was like Flint. He always pushes stuff out of the way. I wish I was just like Flint the fire truck.
Did you know I just spray out fires and move stuff?
Yeah, but all I do, I'm just a little engine doing nothing.
Did you know until a long time ago, I was at a castle.
That's good. Okay, now the fire's over and everything's back to normal.
Help!
Help!
Oh no, Toby's on there. Toby, be careful.
Oh no, my boxes are falling.
Oh no!
Oh, that really hurt.
I'll go get the huge fire ambulance. He's here to help you.
Oh, I'm okay.
Well, Toby,
I need to get back to work.
well, I'll get your boxes up.
Choo choo, beep 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 beep.
Oh, what a lovely day. Choo-choo. Well, at least I get to go to the train park. Hey, never touch the train tracks, Missy.
Never touch the train tracks.
Why?
Because.
You can get ran over easily.
Yep, choo choo.
Well, at least I get to be safe. And
If a train's slow, you get to cross the tracks. If one's fast, you don't.
Ooh, I'm in the pond. Yay! Splash, splash.
No, you can't get in the pond. Did you know there used to be fish pooping in there?
Choo-choo.
Ouch. Well, it's okay. I could bring you to the hospital. I feel I have a birthday carrier. Oh, make sure to be careful. Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I just got a little hurt. I wish.
Well, that was a good day. I gotta get back to the fire and rescue center.
Well, this
This is where. Okay, the fire rescue center is right by our fire rescue helicopter.
I better go get to work.
Oh no, there's a package on there. Is this what you are carrying?
Oh yeah, it was. Sorry.
Oh, you're almost falling off the tracks.
Oh, sorry.
I wish I had a carriage just like you, Thomas. It's fine. I just do what is my job. Thomas! Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye, blah, blah, out.